Major Alexa Fiona Mercado, S2. Cadet Major Portia Eliza Sandrino, S3. Cadet Major Samantha Magana, S4. Cadet Major Micaela Tanay, S5. Cadet Major Iris Janos Riodique, S6. Majorette Leader Cadet Master Sergeant Sheena May Bukad. Band Leader Cadet Master Sergeant Vincent Botian. Company Commander Cadet Major Dariel James De La Torre. Company XO Cadet Major Carl James Posugak. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet Major Joros Cristobal. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Major Miyoki Rigaspi. CAT Facilitator Commandant Midship Ensign Midshipman Ensign Larry J. Yerobin, Philippine Navy Reserve. Majorist Trainer Mr. Janil Sabonase. And Master's Trainer Mr. Santiago Santino. Entry number 49, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur Incorporated, Fortuno Street, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 49, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur Incorporated, Fortuna.